In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the photos and the footage that can be produced during nighttime with the DJI Mini 3. And today's location is the beautiful Kronborg Castle in Helsingør, in the northern part of Zealand. But because it's pitch black and they decided to turn off the power on or the lighting on the castle, we cannot use that as a subject. We are using the harbor with the ferries and some of the city side instead. It is quite windy today, and what we can see is that we will have gusts that's up to 14 meters per second, which exceeds the level 5 capabilities of this drone. We know from other DJI drones that it's capable of handling more wind than what it's actually in the specification. So let's see how it goes. At least the base wind level is below the capabilities of the drone. So let's get it airborne and see what we can make out of it. So let's fly over the harbor here. So this is Helsingør Harbor. We have the castle here in the background, which is not very easy to see. Oh, where is it? It was significantly easier to see when we were flying the Mavic 3 Classic. The sensor is a lot bigger on that one. So let's just fly a little bit out here. You can see the city is nicely illuminated with Christmas lights and everything. I think that's a nice view here. So let's just do 5 seconds of reference video here for you guys. I will make those clips available for you on the Tech Drone Media website through a link in the description below. So let's just squeeze a few photos here. And we are running everything on neutral exposure as it is right now. So neutral exposure like this. And then we can start by taking a single photo. And then for the sake of it, we can do a AEB, where we are getting one neutral exposure, one that's overexposed, and one that is underexposed. And I make sure that the JPEG and RAW versions are available. Let's do a vertical one, because that's an option with the Mini 3. Let's swap it back into video. Pressing record. Then we can do like a nice manual point of interest here. And this is 4K, true 4K video. So this is actually pretty nice that you get that. It's because it physically turns the camera, so that will give you true 4K recordings in this vertical format. Let me just give you 5 seconds just that you can download. That was a little bit more than 5 seconds. Switch it into manual mode here, and then we can basically lower the shutter state. 1/60, let's do that, and then we crank up the ISO to full speed here. Can I go lower? I'll go 1/30, then I have maximum motion blur, but at least it makes something that is usable. So this is basically the maximum that you can crank out of this sensor as it is right now. But this will give you a nice impression about what it looks like, what is possible in night mode. Is there anything else that you would like to know about the DJI Mini 3? Then let me know in the comments below. So if we're lucky, we can catch the train. Maybe we can do something cool about that. Yeah, that's the train. So it's very dark. Let's just see if we can follow it smoothly here. Yeah, we can do that. Slow a little bit down so we get the train in front of us. So, and this is with the standard settings. I haven't done anything to the controls here. This is simply just muscle memory or whatever they call it. And it is a bit windy here, so it is kind of risky to fly in this direction. So what I would do now is I will fly back. I will cross the road here. And then I will bring down the drone. Hopefully to land on the roof of my car. Which one is my car? That's the one next to the white one here. It's safely back on the ground. And as I said, I will put these clips up to the Tech Drone Media website, so you have a chance to view the night footage by yourself. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.